First thing you have to do is download and install Logsec. Open the logsec.com website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Downloads for Windows button. Once the installation file is downloaded, execute it. Logsec will usually open automatically after installation. Now you have successfully installed Logsec. Now let's download the necessary files to run Plastilinn on Logsec. Let's go to the plastilinn.com/downloads webpage. Then click on the link to download the latest Plastilinn release. This will open a Google Drive folder. Click on the zip file and download it. Save the file wherever you want, for example in the Documents folder. Then go to the folder where you saved the file. And extract the contents of the zip file. Then open the Logsec app. Scroll down a little bit and open the folder where you have extracted the Plastilinn zip file contents. Click on Select Folder and Logsec will start loading Plastilinn. Once it's loaded, you are ready to start using Plastilinn.